Problem 4. A donkey suffers an attack of hiccups, and the first hiccups happens at 4 o'clock one afternoon. So at 4 o'clock this afternoon, we have one hiccup. Suppose that a donkey hiccups regularly every 5 seconds. So the rate of hiccups is one hiccup every 5 seconds. At what time does the donkey's 700th hiccup occur? So let's tackle this problem one by one. So first of all, let's try to understand how many additional hiccups happen every minute, because seconds are hard to work with and they're too abundant. So let's just simplify it to minutes. 4:01. How many hiccups are at 4:01? Well, there's one hiccup every 5 seconds. We know that for every 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So therefore, for 1 minute, that's the same thing as 60 seconds, and for every 5 seconds there's one hiccup. The unit of seconds and seconds cancel, and we're left with 12 hiccups every 1 minute. So 12 hiccups for every 1 minute would be the same rate as one hiccup every 5 seconds. So that means for an increment of 1 minute, we must increment the amount of hiccups by 12, which gets us 13 total hiccups by 4:01. So now you see where this is going, because the rate at which the donkey hiccups is constant. So that means the amount of hiccups that increase every minute must also be constant, with add 12, and then we add 1 minute here, so therefore that's 25 hiccups. So what happens at the 700th? When does the 700th hiccup occur? Well, how many more hiccups do we need? We already began at one hiccup, so we need 699 more hiccups to reach our 700 total. And we know that for every one hiccup, right, for every 12 hiccups, it happens in 1 minute. So therefore, if we multiply this out, the units of hiccups and hiccups cancel, and we're left with a number that represents the total number of minutes that it took to reach 699 more hiccups. So 699 divided by 12 gives us our answer. So let's divide that out by hand. We know that we can put 8 here, or that's way too big. We could put 5. That's 60. That's 99. We can put 8. That's 96. That gives us 30. And we have to put a 2, so 24, that's 60. Obviously 12 times 5 is 60. So that means this is the same thing as 58.25 minutes. Now we have 58 solid minutes plus 0.25 minutes, which is the same thing as 1/4 of a minute. What seconds is 1/4 of a minute? Well, we know that 1 minute is 60 seconds, so we have to multiply this by 60 to get the number of seconds rather than minutes, which is 15 seconds. In other words, it took 58 minutes and 15 seconds to reach our 700th hiccup. Therefore, your final answer will be answer choice A.